Time for a little subscriber fun, where the winners of the contest will get some free stuff.
Hey, this is Josh Pauling with Daddy's Workshop at the Carolinas, where we treasure things made and restored by hand. Well, here we are at another subscriber milestone. We've added 100 real quick since 500, so here we are at 600. So this time I wanted to do a little contest for you. Celebrate getting to 600 subscribers. It's been great to hear all your questions, comments, and ideas. Learning a lot. Hope you are too, as we're all finding ways to do the things we love. So here's the deal. We're going to do a best before and after restoration pit contest. And the winner will get some products from SuperClean. SuperClean has generously offered to send some products to the winner. Big thanks to them for that. So, and then I'll also do a second and third place. And what I'll do is I'll give away some Delta-Rockwell catalogs, like I did for the 500 subscriber giveaway. So the contest is best before and after picture of a restoration. So to enter the contest, what you need to do is send me an email with the picture of your best restoration, okay, before and after, so we can compare. And then also, what I'd like you to attach is a screenshot or something that shows that you've shared this video or this channel with somebody, maybe on social media, maybe with a friend, shared with somebody that you think would have a good picture to add to the contest. I want to make this contest as big as we can and see who's got some awesome picks. So if you know somebody that's into restorations as well, send them this contest. See if they can join as well and get in on this game. So first prize will be SuperClean products sent to you by them. And then second and third place, we'll do some Delta-Rockwell catalogs. And then to select the winner, since this is Daddy's Workshop, I'll have my kids be the judges. My kids will be the ones who make the determination. That way it'll be a little fun. So again, appreciate everything. Learning a lot. Hope you are too. And also just wanted to do a shout out to a couple folks that reached out to me and been helping me brainstorm and think about this transition to going more towards full time in the shop. Big shout out to Jeff and Pete. They've both been really helpful in thinking through design and logos and branding and also business ideas and so forth. So big thanks to Jeff and also to Pete. Pete's the one who helped me come up with that new circle logo. Really appreciate that. I'll put his link to Nutmaker Workshop in the bottom. He does some awesome custom signs. Really amazing with his graphic design and his woodwork. Keep the questions, comments, and all the rest coming. Thanks again. 600 subscribers. Here we come.
And here's some pictures of some of my restorations through the years to whet your appetite for the type of pictures that we'll see. I'm sure we'll get some great ones to come in, and I'll share those with you for sure. The contest will run for 2 weeks, and love to have you participate. Share it with a bunch of people. Let's get a bunch of good pictures coming in, and we'll share them and see who wins the products from SuperClean, and also some old Delta-Rockwell manuals. See below in the video notes for the contest rules and for any links from the video. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope the video has been helpful for you. Feel free to subscribe using the subscribe link. And if you've benefited from the channel and enjoy what you see here, consider donating by using the PayPal link that's on my banner picture on my YouTube channel homepage. I put out a video per week. Hope they're helpful. Anything else I can do, contact me. Thanks a lot.